Hey besties, I hope you're doing amazing. So I have two short, sweet, and to the point Am I the A-hole stories for you today, and I need you to help me be the judge. Are these people the a-holes or not? So for this first one, the Reddit community already called OP the a-hole, and I have to see if you guys agree. So here's the story. It's called, Am I the a-hole for going out every other weekend when I have a baby at home? I have a baby at home and 3 stepkids. I've gone out every other weekend since my wife gave birth. I'm gone roughly 3 to 4 hours with a buddy of mine. She thinks that I should be home making dinner every single weekend because she cooks during the week while taking care of the baby and my kids. I work 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. and I'm home every night after work, and every other weekend I stay home. She says she doesn't get breaks and says, I'm not even saying you can't go out, but seriously, pull your head out of your ass and cook dinner and take some slack off of me. But I do cook dinner Fridays and Sundays every week, and the Saturdays on the weekends that I'm home. But I think I deserve every other Saturday. I get that she deserves a break too, but she's breastfeeding the baby and there's nothing I can do about that. Of course, her friends think that I'm a raging because they think when I'm not at work, I should stay at home the entire time and cook, clean, and take care of the kids. But I deserve one day every 2 weeks. I mean, what, am I supposed to not take breaks just because my wife can't? I mean, am I the a-hole? Yeah, you're definitely the a-hole. Just unbelievable that he expects her to take care of his kids while he gets to go out and party. Now, the #1 comment on Reddit with 18,000 likes sums it up perfectly. It says, you're the a-hole 100%. She doesn't get breaks, not because she was breastfeeding, but because you have 3 other kids that she's also caring for while you're out taking your little breaks. She's doing it all and you're doing almost nothing, even when you're at home. There's more to the comment, but I don't have time to read the whole thing, but you guys should definitely click the link to check out the full article. Also, quickly, check out this Aquarius pic, guys. God, I'm so proud of this one. But anyways, for this one, I'm gonna give OP an 8 out of 10 on the a-hole scale. Because when you're in a relationship, it's a partnership. If your wife ain't getting any breaks, then you don't deserve any either. What the f? So you guys, let me know am I being too harsh in the comments, because I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm a mom, but I took this one personally. So anyways, here's story number 2. Am I the a-hole for letting my 2-year-old son put on makeup? So I, 26 female, was getting dressed and putting on makeup. My 2-year-old son loves to watch me, and I tried giving him the iPad, but he just likes to watch me instead. Now, I'm very weary when it comes to things like this, but I thought, whatever, he's just 2. He doesn't know anything about gender norms yet. So yesterday while I was putting on makeup, my 2-year-old came in and took the beauty blender and started dabbing his face. I thought it was funny, so I called my husband to come look. He wasn't as amused as I was. To be honest, he was pissed. Then he snatched the blender from him and then told me to stop trying to make our son feminine. I told him that he's only 2, but he said that it starts early. I feel bad now, and honestly, I didn't think it was gonna be that big of a deal. So am I the a-hole? Wow, wow, wow. For a dad to get that mad about a 2-year-old putting on some makeup is just ridiculous. Now, of course, I don't just put makeup on my son, but when I'm putting makeup on, he usually wants to try it out. And I'll let him pretend to put a little bit of the lip gloss on. It's really not that big of a deal. It's just crazy to me that in this day and age, people still think that putting on makeup is what makes you feminine. So for me, the only a-hole in the situation is the dad, so I give him a 6 out of 10 on the a-hole rating. Dude, people these days are blowing my mind, but you guys have to promise me to stay kind, stay amazing, and keep on resonating. Peace.